In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Athan on Android. If you want quick access to prayer times, the Quran, and helpful Islamic features right from your phone, downloading the Athan app is a simple place to start. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Begin by unlocking your Android device and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android phones and tablets, and it's the safest place to download apps. Once the Play Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Athan, Prayer Times and Al Quran. Make sure you enter the app name carefully so you can find the correct result. After you search, a list of apps may appear, so take a moment to look for the one published by IslamicFinder.org. This helps confirm that you're choosing the right app and not a similar-looking alternative. When you find the correct app, tap on it to open the app page. Here, you can usually see the app icon, screenshots, ratings, and a short description. This is a good time to quickly confirm once more that the app is the one you want. Next, tap the Install button. Once you do that, your Android device will begin downloading the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. During this part, it's best to stay connected to Wi-Fi or a stable mobile network so the download finishes smoothly. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. When the app starts, it may ask for a few permissions. Go ahead and enable notifications so the app can send you prayer reminders and other important alerts. You should also allow location access, since this helps the app provide accurate prayer times based on where you are. If you accidentally deny one of these permissions, don't worry. You can usually update them later through your Android settings. Granting the correct access simply helps the app work as intended and gives you the most accurate experience. And that's it. Once notifications and location access are enabled, the Athan app is downloaded and ready to use on your Android device. You can now begin exploring its features and setting it up according to your preferences.